Hi, and welcome to another edition of MI How To Videos. I'm your host, Tony, and today we're going to be talking about two terrific products from Kimberly-Clark Professional, Whiteball X60 cloths and the Whiteball Oil, Grease, and Ink cloth. But before we get started, I want to mention that we should all be wearing the proper PPE for our jobs today. For this segment, we're wearing protective gloves and safety glasses from Kimberly-Clark Professional's Clean Guard brand. All right, now let's get started. From wiping up grime to soaking up spills, effective cleaning is essential. So is selecting the right tool for the task. Did you know that Whiteball is the #1 brand of disposable wipers in North America? Here are some reasons why. They're clean, consistent, and disposable, which is what the CDC recommends for cleaning frequently touched surfaces. They're the ideal replacement for rags, shop towels, and microfiber cloths, and they're designed to reduce waste, which in return saves you money. The most popular Whiteball product is the X60 cloth. If you're looking for a versatile solution to replace rags, well, this is it. With today's stringent cleaning protocols, you want to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. The Whiteball X60 is also the perfect tool with your chemicals and spray bottles to clean, disinfect, and sanitize. And it's also extremely absorbent, but super strong. So just to show you, I'm going to engage in a little tug of war action. So let's have Chris come on here and help. All right, Chris, I want you to grab this damp Whiteball X60 cloth, and I'm going to grab this other one. Just going to wrap it around here and just go ahead and pull as hard as you can. Look at that. As you can see, the Whiteball X60 cloth does not tear no matter how hard I pull. All right, Chris, that's enough. You're going to give me a workout. Thank you, buddy. Now you've seen how strong and absorbent that Whiteball X60 is. Let's take a look at another Whiteball product. So I've got something new to show you. The Whiteball Oil, Grease, and Ink cloth. Not only is it as strong and absorbent, but it's lint-free. Plus, it absorbs 8 times its weight in oil. It's pliable enough to get into cracks and crevices, and it won't fall apart when exposed to acids and solvents. Take a look. As you can see, the Whiteball Oil, Grease, and Ink cloth is super strong, and it picks up what the other products leave behind. The benefits to you: increased productivity, less waste, and improved output. So remember, to get the job done right, you need a task-engineered wiper from Whiteball brand. For any questions about Whiteball wipers from Kimberly-Clark Professional, contact your Motion Industries representative. And look for other videos with me, your host Tony, at mihowto.com. Thank you for watching.